You know, gang, if you want to react to a specific video, but right now we're gonna jump to the next one till you drop a request. One name Adofo, Ohio. I check it out and swear dog, dude. Did I react to this already? Hold on, gang. Did I react to this already? Ohio by Adofo? I think so, you know. Weird. I don't want to lie, you know. So I'm gonna check it. Let me check real quick. Adofo. I think I did react to this one already. No, I didn't react to this one already. Good shit. Alright, so we can react to the one and the one and him. What the fuck is this? Yeah, we can react to Adofo, Ohio. Check it out and swear dog, I do with it. Adofo, about artists. Get the likes up, gang. Get the likes up. Give me to at least 15 likes, 20 likes. Come on, let's get it. Yeah, man, the one here, Adofo, Ohio. We react to Adofo and Quill them, Mr. James. And Adofo is a bad artist, just like Quill them. Check out Adofo by himself, the one named Ohio. Let's get it, gang.
When package dog just deliver bad man, now we can't reach a foot dog.
Get the likes up, give me to at least 20 likes, gang. Drop a request so you can get your shout out. Shout out everybody in the chat right now. We got One Bob, we got Jimbo. You see me? Big up on the damn self. We got Jambisco down. Big up on the damn self.
Good.
Milton, this is Bill Picell.
Adofo.
Still waiting to hear from you. I see where you made it, but I want to talk to you.
Mr. James, These niggas creative. So this one comes before the song that we react to, Mr. James? Okay.
I want to find out what the hell you did with my money, and what are your intentions other than to just keep fucking me out of money. But I'll tell you, that's the last motherfucking penny you get from me, so.
Hold on. Let me say, hold on there. That's not the comments.
My money, and what are your intentions other than to just keep fucking me out of money. But I'll tell you, that's the last motherfucking penny you get from me, so.
Man say, what are your intentions? I just have to me out of my money, brother. Where you the pan?
Charge up and up on the fucking brand. Goose long and climb on the fucking front. Stick up in. Yo, epic.
Man say, charge up and up on the what? What like that?
Charge up and up on the fucking brand. Goose long and climb on the fucking front.
Easy now. Glad.
Epic. Every chopper must believe.
Every chopper believe, no man. Come in, self-believe.
Evening dial book a working skull off send every dollar from the candle they bun epic and stuff a charters rascal bro parchment paper me use blood and with it up all lady in a ball when your bank book done me I go sing upon James when I go on too tough. I be a jagger live down a little pot OG don't ram figure cut a bank quote when they dial I run poo just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of beer dollars skill I get ready figure why I hate out poo than just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of beer dollars
Hold on. I take it from top. This is a vibe. Adofo, big up your damn self. This is a vibe. Yeah, man. The official answer. Can you send music in? Yeah, man, gang. You can send me the link. You see me? You can send me the link to the tune. You can mention the name. You can hit me up on IG. You see me? I say, gang, but make sure you support the channel, like and subscribe. Baba, big up yourself. Official Ant, big up yourself. One Bob, big up yourself. Jimbo, big up yourself. We're there and we have vibe, don't it? Yeah, man. Get the likes up. Get me to 20 likes, gang. Yeah, man. We react to Adofo, Ohio, and it's a vibe, gang. We're taking it from the top. Come in.
When package dog just deliver bad man, now we can't reach a foot dog. Judge you, I wonder if I chew from Ohio dog. Oh fuck.
Say your package a dealer. No, you can't drop a foot. Straight from Ohio. Who's Puden, bro? Puden I get mentioned by Quillim and Adofo like Puden are the real chopper in the crew. What go on?
Milton, this is Bill Picell. still waiting to hear from you. I see where you made it, but I want to talk to you and I want to find out what the hell you did with my money and what are your intentions other than to just keep fucking
so, yo, I call to find out what you do with my money and what your intentions, but I'm see
out of money. But I'll tell you, that's the last motherfucking penny you
I be visual, pick up yourself.
Charge up on the fucking bread.
Yeah.
Goose don't a client on the fucking run.
Charge up and up you if you wrong. Who's doing a client if you run? You get tied up in this, brother. To your science youth. Dog, get your package rich. Believe no man.
Evening dial book a working skull off send every dollar from the 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bun epic and for charters rascal bro parchment paper me use blood and with it up all lady in a ball when your bank book done me I go sing upon James when I go on too tough I be a jack I live down a little
man say all lady in a ball when the bank book done me I go swing your pan G. Hey, go on.
But OG don't ram figure cut a bank coat when they dial a run poo just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of $8 skill I get ready figure why I hate out poo than just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of $8
oh dog no big man say big goon from Ohio blood like a dog blending that stuff.
Buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of $8 skill I get ready figure why I hate out chat the same Jack James them a jag a bigger food cap of them a chat put it under you the sun road wine in me cap him no see me jack they be my cool plus I me got shove man a chop food for true you know see me scan a authentic that on my shoes papa van make them bitches sit when it till them fool and that blood clot religion it show for show when it
and that religion me show for show bumpo click oh
run poo just buck a giant big good from
Ohio
chase bank full of $8 skill I get ready figure why I hate out poo than just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of $8 skill I get ready figure why I hate out put your goon pan
easy.
Na payment plan and they take your info and go shake your balance. Mr. James don't afraid for science up a Caucasian from your know she's stubborn member house of a bill.
So Mr. James don't fear for science up a Caucasian no. But I know so then stands, yeah man not fear for goose to them bomba. Yeah man can get we up 20 likes, come on.
From a want a piece up a penthouse my gun. So press the leads and venture me dog.
Venture me dog.
Up on the field, fuck me for run.
If you run, charge up and up you the fuck me for brag. Who's don't a client out them for run? Where I run go?
When they dial run, poo just buck a giant. Big good from
Ohio
chase bank full of $8 skill I get ready figure why I hate out poo than just buck a giant big good from Ohio chase bank full of $8
yeah man
skill I get ready figure why I hate out
easy
parchment paper me use better with it up all lady in a bar
done now swing your palm misbehave the tough oh clean easy
Yo, Phantom.
I just like to hear what the hell your fucking plans are.
easy no.
Do you ever wonder?
I would have Mr. James on the phone. Would I just book a giant big goon from Ohio? Bomba, easy now man. Who's it on a client? Man say you just charge up and up you for brag. Yeah man, just who's it on a client out them for run. Tia man. Big hey. Like the artists them was a night time. They doing their damn thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. All the artists them was a night time link with Skipper and Bob. You see me I say? They doing their damn thing, gang.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.